Hey, what's up, y'all? So today I'll just be explaining my CSS portfolio and any of the new changes that I've included. And this time around, it wasn't much with the HTML stuff that changed. A lot of it was in the CSS file. I'll show you guys right here. Still fairly the same, but I did add a lot of new code to it, to CSS. For a start, I built a responsive portfolio website. I mean, I would say it's responsive because from the first time around, it was basically just kind of like Google Docs almost. It was just kind of just laying out what I wanted to show you guys. But now I made it responsive, and I did that with using CSS media queries. These are the ones over here. The bottom one that start with at media, and all these basically it just helps with working on different screen sizes. So you can see there's one for the desktop, a tablet, other stuff for desktop, tablet, phone. Um, and also set the breakpoints at 480 px by Sun 68 px and by 1024 px. And I set this all up so I can change everything, and so far it looks pretty good. Um, I also added dynamic click with CSS transforms, so items scale up and change whenever I hover over them. I organize the experience section by using the float property for projects, images, making them line up horizontally. I'll show you guys at the end, so the photos are there, and once you hover over the photos, they'll kind of pop out at you, which is really cool. Um, yeah, and I had to include this part right here, the padding top and padding bottom to help with my the formation of the website. It basically just helps me able to put everything specifically where I want it. But when I'm able to tap on the sidebar, it takes me right to it. I won't have any problems running it at all. I use a lot of the padding top. I use the same size for the photos, make sure everything is the same. Add media tags for the media to make sure the style and the size and everything matches with the technology that someone using. And over here, same thing, padding. This is all from last time, but a lot of new stuff right here. Yeah, and now I'll just show you guys what I have actually on the website itself after I put it in Azure and everything set up. Let's see. All right, here it is. Here's the website itself. I'm gonna refresh it. All right, as you can see, it's somewhat similar. There's still some changes, but here you go. Everything is set. And this is the part where I added where it's responsive. If I hover over skills, let's say go over Python, not only does the section itself hover over, but each part of the programming language I listed. Same thing with software. I listed out photos, they pop out. It's really cool, honestly. It just makes it more enhanced and everything look more clear. And I can go to the sidebar, I can go to summary, education, take you right to it, skills, projects, contact, and then even resume brings it up here. And the main challenge I had to face was basically this entire project, honestly. I spent a lot of time on this one, but the main, I guess, specific problem was figuring out how to get the responsiveness and the image sizes all correlated in a way where it appears nice because before the images were too small and or they won't pop like popping out and all that. But overall, it was a pretty intense project, but I learned a lot from it. All right, thank y'all for watching.